So here I'm going to show you how to access settings on your iPhone. I have an iPhone 12 Pro Max. So use your thumb and place it over one of the apps icon here and then press down and it'll bring up this search menu. Type in settings. So partially entering it, you'll find the icon. Click on that. Now here under Wi-Fi, click here on your Wi-Fi. Your name will be different because if you're connected to Wi-Fi on your home network, you will have a different name for your network. You have to follow this video at the home or business connection, wherever you need to get the information from. And then for the listing that has a check mark to the left of it, on the right hand side on that eye with a circle icon, click on that. That gives you information about your network, and you scroll down, it will tell you here under IPv4 address what is the current IP address scheme for your network that this iPhone is connected to. That's what the information we need, and you can take a screenshot of this screen. Secondly, if you're trying to connect one of our Wi-Fi cameras, I would like you to also take a screenshot of this screen where it says Wi-Fi and the different networks you've got close to you, because Wi-Fi cameras use 2.4 gigahertz wireless connections, and we need to just ensure you have, we need information on what kind of networks you've got where you're trying to connect the Wi-Fi cameras to understand what you're up against. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.